Hey, welcome to the channel. I have a special knife here today I wanted to show you, and this is the TwoSun TS461. I've had this knife in my wish list, my radar, for quite some time now, and unfortunately it was on back order like forever, and the only places that you could really get it were like maybe taking a chance with eBay or paying a lot more in other places like Amazon for it. And finally, I saw that White Mountain Knives once again carries this TS461. And let me just tell you, it is everything I've been hoping it would be, and then some. It's a full-sized knife. Overall, 8.66 inches. The handle itself, which we have this beautiful milling of titanium, and that's on both sides. And this PEI material, which is very much like what is the Ultim material, but it is polyethylamide, which is a thermoplastic that's used predominantly in 3D printing, medical devices, and electrical insulation. But it's strong stuff. And I thought that this milling was going to be very aggressive on my pocket, but it's not. It's very comfortable, actually. And this is a frame lock, as you can see. And what's cool about this PEI material is you can see through it. And you can see right there that the milling done on the liner lock itself, or the frame lock, it's all titanium. And it goes very nicely contoured. It's very comfortable. Has a nice area there for if you want to put a lanyard into it. You got T8 hardware all over. And you got TwoSun putting its mark on there for where it's made. And this is a NightMorning design, which does a lot of some of my favorite versions of the TwoSun knives. One of them particularly that had the lead for the longest time was this Jelly Jerry design, actually by TwoSun. This is the 223. You can still get this one available, also M390 blade. But if you happen to have the 223, you can see already quite the difference in size that we're talking here. This is a full-size knife, no doubt about it. The blade itself is 3.54 inches with a thickness of 0.157 inches. And as you can see on that blade there, it goes to a nice taper from what they do here. And it's a very strong blade, but it is, even though it's a little thicker, it is extremely sharp. One thing I'll say about TwoSun knives is I've never had a dull one. They really know how to put an edge on a blade. And aside from it being made, you know, it's a Chinese knife, these are top of the line. And if you can get past the fact that it is actually made in China, then, and you want to get yourself something that would easily go for over $300 anywhere else, these right now on White Mountain Knives you can get for $124.99. Use my discount code of NCN, you get 10% on that, off of that, and it's also free shipping if you want to do that. But this is just, it's incredibly great action to it. It's very smooth because it is on ceramic ball bearing action. You've got these really, really nice protruding thumb studs here, which get right there, fires right out, no problem. A little drop down here. You also got some nice jimping there on the flipper tab, which is in a great spot, and it fires right out. It is a very comfortable knife, and it's got a really nice titanium clip to it, and it goes in and out of the pocket just fine, has plenty of retention, and all in all, I could not be happier with this one. So I'll just let you get a closer look at it. It's got a beautiful stonewash to it. And what's nice about stonewash is, even though it's not mirror polished or nothing like that, you don't have to worry so much about using it hard because it is more forgiving on scratching. And the milling on this, if you get close enough, you can see within those boxes, there is actually lines in there. And the whole thing, truly beautiful. It's got excellent lockup, as you can see, and just a shake and it's going down. Now, one thing I will say on TwoSuns that I've noticed and I would recommend is, if you go flicking it quite a bit, you might get a little loose on the screw. Get yourself some thread locker. You'll never have that problem again. And just a little smidgen will take care of that for you. But this is a great knife. I'm just blown away by its action and performance that I've been using it for. It's so sharp, it's crazy, but it's such a filling, beautiful work of art here. And I think it even lends its option to, maybe if you don't care for those type of scales, you could probably make your own, because it is just about an 1/8 of an inch slab of, the PEI material. And all that just at this point here comes off. My intention is, I have this spacer material here, acrylic material I'm going to do, and going to attempt to make in that ivory white for doing that on these, just to see if I can and see how it looks. If you're interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments. And that's about it. This here is the TwoSun TS-461 and M390 with milled titanium bolsters and PEI grips. And I'm Ed's Blades, so if you would, hit the like, and please hit the subscribe button. It's always much appreciated. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.